So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law?
I can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right? If it got to go to trial, then it got to go to trial. So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go?
Pardon?
Why am I not free to go? So if I get my money, I can get out.
You need to post a bond.
Okay, what's the bond? It's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault.
Hold on, this is already a critical legal misunderstanding. She's asking, am I free to go right after arrest processing? But once charges are filed, release isn't automatic. That's where bond comes in. Bond isn't punishment. It's basically the court's financial guarantee that you'll come back. And notice something important here. The staff stays calm while she keeps pushing the same question. That contrast matters because judges and court officers are silently evaluating behavior from the very first interaction. Question for you. Do you think confusion like this comes from stress or from not understanding how the system actually works?
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So in this matter, Ms. Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a Latasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney. The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry?
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time you
I served 30 days already.
And if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim as well.
And the monetary amount? 5,000, 10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't told your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now? All
I
right, I just want to state that.
can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right?
So
Okay.
what do you want this set for, ma'am?
Now this moment right here is huge. She brings up not being read her rights. What people usually mean is Miranda rights. But here's the twist most people don't know. Failing to read Miranda rights doesn't automatically dismiss charges. It mainly affects whether statements can be used in court, not whether the arrest itself was legal. And notice the judge's response: neutral, controlled, and careful not to give legal advice since she chose self-representation. This is exactly why representing yourself is risky. You're arguing law without knowing which arguments actually matter. Be honest, would you ever represent yourself in a criminal case?
Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess. I guess.
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't really matter.
Well, you've got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it got to go to trial, then it got to go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. Thank you.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out. But she just said it was no bond.
Post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Cause you just asked her the same thing. Cause she said
5%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
Oh, we're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
yeah, I know, but they're all by Kearney. The whole
That's-
McDonald's thing and then this. And
This-
okay, let's try this one.
And this is the turning point of the entire hearing. After all the resistance, confusion, and frustration, we finally land back at the simplest reality. Procedures don't change just because someone disagrees with them. The court explained the bond multiple times, yet misunderstanding kept escalating tension. Jurors and judges notice patterns like this, not just what you say, but how you handle authority and pressure. Here's the bigger question. When someone struggles this much during a hearing, does it hurt their credibility before trial even begins? Drop your take below, because courtroom behavior can sometimes shape outcomes more than people realize.